Imagine having an AI assistant that doesn't just answer your questions, but actually helps you complete tasks. An AI that can analyze information, make plans, use different tools, and take actions on your behalf. This is the idea behind AI agents. For years, traditional software worked based on predefined rules. Then machine learning allowed computers to learn from data. And recently, generative AI introduced systems like ChatGPT that can understand and create human-like content. But AI agents take this one step further. Instead of simply responding to instructions, they can understand goals, break problems into smaller steps, use external tools, remember important information, and work toward completing objectives. For example, a research agent can analyze documents and create reports. A business agent can automate workflows. A personal agent can help manage your daily tasks. The future of AI is moving from systems that only provide answers to intelligent systems that can take meaningful action, and AI agents are at the center of this transformation.